Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
All new Yamaha R1, a replica model driven by champion Toprak Razgatlıoğlu, only 24 units in the world. A limited edition replica of the Yamaha R1, driven by Turkish champion Toprak Razgatlıoğlu in WorldSBK has been introduced online. A series of 21 pieces, worldwide, recalling the triumphal sporting year with the first world title for the Turkish rider and Yamaha's first WorldSBK Constructors Championship since 2009, as well as success in the Constructors Championship for Pata Yamaha and Brixx WorldSBK. Each track specimen will be built in the Crescent Racing PRO SHOP, given the experience and knowledge gained over the past 6 years of managing Yamaha's official WorldSBK project. The news: at the Yamaha R1 replica Toprak limited edition are associated, according to information, an autographed piece of personal equipment used by Razgatlıoğlu in the 2021 World Superbike Championship season, a customized automatic setup and individual driver training day with James Hillier O'Neill Mackenzie, carried out only on one circuit in the UK, set up abroad and training by reservation, a VIP hospitality pass for two to a chosen WorldSBK 2022 event, as a VIP guest of the team and being able to visit the pits and spend time with Razgatlıoğlu, a framed limited edition certificate, personally signed by Razgatlıoğlu and team principal Paul Denning, attesting the edition number along with the VIN number and buyer details. Among the interesting aspects are both a high-power Brembo racing braking system, and the details of this replica, such as the titanium fasteners and the attention to every detail of the construction developed and created by the Crescent Yamaha team. The technical framework also includes a Linz suspension components, a factory upper triple clamp, latest generation GTR race ECU, a Kropovic exhaust with characteristics that recall WorldSBK and forged Marchesini rims. The power reaches 205 horses, an increase of 20 horses compared to the traditional R1, to be compared to a weight of less than 175 kilograms considering all the fluids, a containment of 26 kilograms in comparison with the standard version, according to the indications.